Asante my franka assemble kwa abeda pono so ama ye twene sene abasa social media no so na ebisi edie benti na ase kamia yeso my baako ye nya franka mienu meche flag no mu na ama ehunchiri wahyew enso so ekoso nene masi nkonwa ene general form or historian ebetwetwe nkomo de afa Asante my franka no ne kofa by ebeto Ghana flag and Ghana flag ne beto no na ye dempo na Asante my franka no bebo mu a akofo nsem we nyina aba medin dia tesem ne kwaku na ansa na no yenko na yenkohwe video yi na yenkotie mu nchiremu a ewo Asante franka anim no ye ba ya bedi ho nkomo ye mbrasisia.
Of course, we have the flag of Ghana, and I also have the flag of Asante.
Okay.
The flag of Asante. That is the flag of Asante.
Okay.
What
the colors represent?
The colors yellow, black, and green. The yellow represents money, rich in gold. The black, the strength of the people. The green, the fertility of the land. So together we say the rich black man in the forest.
Rich black man
in the forest. In our dialect we say Osikani bibinia otine kwayim.
Osikani bibinia otine
kwayim. So that is the meaning.
Rich black man in the forest.
You are right.
So this is to give the Asante people a sense of pride.
You are right.
That you are all rich black men in the forest.
Yes,
and
we were, and we continue to be. So we were rich before the colonizers came in. So we were rich in gold, intelligence, and everything. And you see the logo of our king. This logo comprises 3 powerful animals. Because we have the eagle, we have the python, and we have the crocodile.
Where's the eagle?
So let's check it from here. Okay. Proper. You see the beat of the eagle?
On top. That's
yeah, you see the skin. You have the skin of the crocodile.
Yeah.
And you have the skin of the python.
Okay.
So together.
What is this?
This is just a decoration. Yeah.
So eagle,
crocodile, and
what's the significance of
you see, these animals are powerful in the air. The eagle has sharp eye, and the crocodile can in the rivers.
Yes.
And the python on the earth. So Asante represents these animals in those times fighting. Even today, very strong in wherever you see find Asante. So that is the meaning of the flag. And also,
these telephones worked at some point in time.
Yes.
I see this one, exchange, extension, extension, exchange held.
Yes, so that was
extension to exchange.
So you can see, So
you wind it?
Yeah. You pick. And this one, so you remember this one?
Yes, these are the really. The dial.
Yeah, the dial. Good.
Wow.
Good.
And then this one.
This one
more modern.
Yes, this one look modern. Yeah.
If you go home, nobody can reach you. When you go out, people can't reach you, man. Yeah, you have to be in the office.
That is it. Let me talk about this map.
Okay.
This is the map of Asante before Ghana was born. Ghana is only 68 years. Asante is more than 350 years. So that was the extent of Asante Empire before Ghana was born.
Is it the purple lines?
Yes.
Okay.
So you see, and it covered almost the entire nation. Ghana. Yeah.
Tichuman.
You are right. Good.
Ashanti, all of that.
Yeah. Okay. So that was it. And it even went beyond even then Gold Coast to part of Cote d'Ivoire.
All right, Abusian for NT video no and ukoshe no na chese wa chechi wa chese ohwe flag no a na chese sikani bibini a otene kwaye emu nchiremu and o de buy na den chemche no so e den finfini kama general me wakwa aba yo yeah that's it. Asante my flag yi ne kofa buy ni say
Asante de enkoda ne man every 1701 and emu tretre ya kwapem osebunsu ekoye no na ebra katama so to kwane bae no abrofo sha se pan bi firi mu ema eye sha se eye ketwa enti 1874 na bruni ne dom ebehye kumase eye Asante hahimfi eno mo sisa ne mabire de koya mo ambehwa mfi minu atwamu yi odi bia ba ye nyina ye hu se e ampa ena 1900 so ene ntokwa etwa to a one Asante bekon ya na nkomo pesika dwa won sanka nti broni tena ase ado hu se Asante mamu ne ye den ama no efisi Asante hin ni ho ena osade ne ba asase so 1924 1926 no se efisi abra ne ko no onhwe kumase nko aso se kumase man hin na 1931 ena Asante hin kwakudi otosumiensa anase prempe odikan enipa kro na okọ ne krechi no ena ne wofa ase Edward Owusu prempe na ne fie de osai kwa mechirichi ebedi ade se osai prempe otosumienu nti oba eni mu ho no enya Asante maku bi a omode saa franka no ehya ase baaye.
Okay, nti prempe the second
obedi hin 1931.
Okay,
nti oba ye no ena ye hya ase hu se Asantefo ehya ase se omode saa franka na ye adwuma omonama no de eno na ye omo sign of identity ye beka ya hu 1884 ebra kwakudia ababiu kwakudia the second ebedi ade a wancha owu June saa ye animu owu ye no tokwa kakra ba ahini no ho twebo ano ene prempentem mo pere kunya no ho mfie nan saa mfie nan ni mo no ne o franka na mo yusu na ba ko yusu tuntum ba ko yusu fita na ba ko yusu kokko na red and white na na no nchara anya official na no dey ase group me no wo one side na yusu flag no
nchemu no na won ye wo ba ko afa no na ma fa kokko
na ba
ko afa so fa fita no
nti to kwana chi no de nanka ye yusu flag ne mu 1931 no na Asantefo kan mo ho bo mu bi Asantefo bi sha asese omo de saa franka no na ye adwuma na 1935 yawada obepon de toso de asamba ko 31st January 1935 any fiada ojefo da edikan wo 1935 ko na mu no na Asante hene ehya ase de franka ye enim no ye adwuma nti be kan say ne official launch of Asante my flag 1935 31st January and 1st February.
Any 1st February. And all the franka no. Nti franka na free hono mo a na just say Ghana so independence 1957. So about 22 years and now. Yeah.
Ghana there no. Ye ba benya independence no. Na ye ko pass him rebi wo British Parliament House of Commons. Friend no motion of destiny.
Okay.
Nto mo pass Sambra na say Ghana benya fa ho that was somewhere October 1956. Incidentally that time na nipa no sponsor independence movement of Gold Coast no. Your friend no George Park Grant. Ono George Alfred Grant near Alfred Park Grant. Ono su 9th October 56.
Okay.
Nti saa time no na Kenya independence awie. Na Ghana say enam say Gold Coast ase ofo no. Any Britain abrofo kosan apam 6 March 1844 ni tom pese ni nyina boss pepepe na say 113 years pepepe nto mo na shift independence ko 1956 57
okay.
Nti before ombenya independence na aban ye advert say asase tam na yi be ka bo manya independence na pe franka e be kire ye bobre na kan abom if you say usua politics and say government nieman sia e ma obi ye oman no ba ko ye flag.
Okay.
Nti no ho no mo nkrofo bire ye omo designs na omo ntretre mu
do mo to ma oman no
omo to ma oman no akwese na no ye be health insurance ni tane omo ye omo to ma oman no say wo a wo ye artist a wo betime design bibi no symbol bi fabra na chechiri mu say symbol which is nti wa be wi ni na say ona o ya fa de
omo de tun se ne career de di mu no na omo afa okay
nti omo de to ho no e na ma me introduce oku no e de ne wi ni ye
okay
56 ending ho no and in 1957 6 March they launched Ghana then for the first time 6 March
it means say ye be launch to do so so me okudi no na Asante de no ho tata
na edim finsi adunu mienu ene bosome ba ko ne fa 22 years and 1.5 months because ye de ne ba ye launch in 31st January 1935.
Okay, that is Asante flag you know and Ghana de no so
6 March 1957.
Yeah, you know. Okay.
It was to say Ghana yinya fa hodi no. Na your official flag na Union Jack no. Na Gold Coast for there no. Any colors ana Union Jack ni demu bi. Nti o hwe flag of New Zealand ne Australia abon say as UK flag ni wom seven na good coast use
okay
nti na ye so ye we de and omo replace omo de no with Ghana de no overall but because omo de nti omo no entimi akoso nso omo de say omo ni lead one central authority a omo so
okay
Asante nkwane territories 9 mo kabu mo form Ghana Asante nkwane na e woni pa ba kwa no ye omo panyini nti ye na ye wo hene ba kwa he nyina so and I make Asante for the avoidance of that. My partner, see the friend administrative regions, no friend, I have for Asante, Bono, and Abono is 4 regions, no friend Asante.
Nina Asante.
And only a friend Asante.
And Asante,
Asante, Kasaku, Yanka, Yamuru on our country, near Okasa who draw Kakra Wimu, Ebini Nafana. I can Sampane Banda Hinkru. Your Ukraine, I can a friend Sekwa side ho. Into your Casa Horo Kitty, your Ntumuru, I can Yaji Neprine. It's Akasa who Nina Kahuni, a friend of Santino. Into Asante for Nina and a country.
Oh, okay.
Now they be to let me can say, you were Santini Obono. You near Santini Obono.
Someone almost a bonus to your casa.
There be. And I met you, say, you were Ntumuru, away mu. Ye Jimai hen out to see a Pima Pim Yaka Grace or Tosso 9. Asantino 2 for Pukua and any mine in 1985. I have for records will be able to cross check it.
Okay.
Until all mine and no more in a free men's ya. And there was Sequa for almost the Suka Asante home. Almost Casamoka, a friend and crying. A money time area, or more Casamoka.
Okay.
Your Sampa for your Banda in Kufo, or Mukanafana.
Kasa ningi na Asante ase.
Asante. Okay. Okasa Asante ase na bi madwene mistakenly say. Ase overload. There be yes Ghana mu no, yes Ghana ase no, enche say ye nkwa Ghana. Ye kankan ho na form Ghana. Nto mu nyina ka ho na ye Asante.
Oh, I see.
Eti ye ka twi wa Asante mu no. Em say ye drop so mo kasa horo no. Nanso no no pepa mfiri ho say ye nyina ye Asante.
I see.
Eti ebra Ghana flag ne ba na Asante flag ne de o dada.
Yeah, Asante you see.
Aye.
E de adwuma. Tutu akwan nyina dada.
Aye.
Okay.
Na ebi ni say ya no mo person mo che so mo person be ja tum Asante ne eye o man sa no. 1953 Queen Elizabeth the second year coronation no. Oto ni ta fra Asante hene.
Okay.
Ya na Prempe the second no time pe akontu. Nti osoma wanchi man hene ne kosi na nan. And them say wanchi for some Asante for. Wanchi man hene ne kosi Asante hene na wo Queen Elizabeth the second ne coronation no. Eti flag no. Opa yenko he video we. On say otumfo Pokuare the second. September 1978 wako Brazil.
Okay.
Eko straw mine. Okay. Flag na di nanim
no. Na twegu no.
Eti ye flag enye ne ne yusu ye. Wo ye no free ho no ma. And now so what the status of man penyin into no. And it no do airport ba bia ye mo ye be fa no nye ho no be fa bi.
Asante hene.
Ne.
It's a VIP ana.
I can't be out so much. I can be can VIP, we can be VIP, a different presidential lunch, a bit or dim from different. But be idea man penny for fano. I wanted never.
Let's say a man penny for. Okay.
I don't know here. Otun for Akusia Pope John Paul II. Otun for Pokuare. For you know who no Kusia Pope John Paul II.
Yeah.
And now if you want ma Otun 42 the second. So Akusia Pope Pen on any year. And also so you we if you are wakosra Belgium Mahema Epen Queen Elizabeth the second back Ghana 1961 no or for so ya ba Kumase.
Okay. Now
we video na is tray ya hwe ya what's Asante hene chief of chiefs. It did not offer no description of the man.
Okay.
Eti was sa ade no won ho dada enye Ghana constitution na ye because 53 ana Ghana nyama ye no now ohime ya ade no ofre amampanyifo no to ne safra Asante hene e ma hu gina pen o
ifitete kora obibu sasade ntina yemfra ka no ase de tu kwan a Ghana de no na ye de atu akiri
yemfa nto akiri de tene se ye de no ho ene de Ghana de na ka ho Ohe Ghana you can ECOWAS ho. And 10 say Ghana use ECOWAS flag. But then anka ye de Ghana franc and nante. Na bra o 242 the second e bet na abanwa so 1989 no. Or ko ba bia na ko de Ghana franc and nam. E na ye nuanom ye bi se. Onye Ghana hene.
Na kasa aba ho.
Nti omo sha se kasa fa ho no se ebu mi akra me pe Ghana. Asante man na nyame ya do mani so. Eno de Asante man de no e wo honom. Na me nim se nka me bo na nka ye nyina ya pija Ghana bom no. Se mo pensa de ne fi ne ko me ame de nko na me de benante. Etu wa mfie nsi atwa mu fe mfie nwotwe atwa mu no. Ena ehu sa atwa bu akwa for so I introduce flag.
De ko na kan bebe yi.
Ema mo kra de yesi free bi ochima golden stew. Na me kra me teda. Ena mo de bae. Ena beye emfie num se 9 ni no. Yehu se buno champion so de flag aba. Flag no kra do master san ben prince.
Exactly. Kana kan bebe.
Ena last be 1 year ni so yesi hu se de trafo so asati flag. Say me ya je the same so man hin bia na ma also the frank be born kanim.
Yeah. Well, as a historian, say oman hini bia dene de ebe no. Eye.
Ti eya na yemfa flag man ho keke. Flag bia wa bakosem. Ena colors na ewo flag bia mu no. Ye woni nti yusu. Ye sheda wo ahun adisuan kata flag ho adisuan university. Ghana had enye bi US for courses on flag. Na ye wo countries omunya independence from there 14, 15, 16 century ni nyina no. No mi colors bear me ensape. Yellow, white and blue. Yellow. No mi blue, white and red. And na your colors. Into where UK, Russia, France, Netherlands, US, omunya flag and colors near the same. Into time Africans also started omunya independence no. Almost as a sign of resistance no. And also no more 3 main colors. Red, yellow, and green.
Okay.
And it's not like a more copy Ghana flag, but the origin here uses certain colors at certain times of the year. Until was a woman independence 1950s now copy 60s no. No me use certain flags colors no. Omunya colors near red, yellow, and green. I thought I need be a black and another beautiful flower frame. And after that period no, a 370 ban so omunya independence no, some more different colors omu use. Enti omo ha omo copy Asante man blindly no omu use colors bia keke no. Also could be someone say no the last country of independence here, South Sudan 2011.
Yeah.
Bisa who say colors na you should say no. Dear nature.
Maybe almost so or more question be on media so.
They are just copying. I say Asante here our flag.
Also baby.
It is time na Asante here kofa sa colors no. It was not just say wafa colors keke no they combine it afom bibi. Apart from say one try say uskani bibi ni otini kwa yimu no. Sa period of time na countries na munya independence around that time they use those colors no. And I'm sure say country munya independence in the late 50s no 60s na copy around 69 no. They were all using the same colors. In Jamaica use Asante man flag no colors ni bi no. It is not for that reason. Just say using keke. E won trust here. Over Brazil so colors no e ben sa Jamaica there no. Into your rational to mo copy blindly. But mo copy we no. Eno mo hu se usun obi asa ochia opa. Eno mo hu se anyina. Ntina is mo san ba back some ba condemn Asante there no.
I see.
O he video here nam ho ya. Asante ne kwatra government no. Na enkranfo no the flag bear me ensa na wo program na se. Eno na Asante fo e use omo there ba ko. There fe me na de ho ne se ye de sa frank ye de djuma sa finhia be e yakọ ha mponi. Yeah, you should have flag we are yes sanita mfinhia o hanie. And it say you nim dey use flag no. Nye say obi bi na ye bi.
I see.
And na omo de ba ase no. Ye fa na nuafo. Ya mfa ne say omo tete ya na say omo betan na omo kan ya hye.
Okay. I see. That man go MP era Samuel Bujinapo. I think say asemi ba ya the mahine kofa be bo mu nyomo so bo bi ya o parliament. Na ne video mo no o kan sembi ewo. I want am pese we ya no kakra bi na e sorry program so. Nti yanko hwe video no na emra.
So I conclude, Mr. Speaker, I conclude, and Mr. Speaker, if you may allow me, it's always very good to have you in the chair. It's very, very pleasant to have you in the chair. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, so let me conclude on just 2 points. The first point, Mr. Speaker, the construction of modern-day Ghana, Mr. Speaker, JB Danquah played a significant role. Mr. Speaker, as the historians will tell us, at the time Ghana was to be birthed, Mr. Speaker, the Asante colony was not to be part of modern-day Ghana. It took the ingenuity, the diplomatic skills, and the efforts of JB Danquah to lobby the then King of Asante, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Prempeh II, to convince him and bring Asante colony on board to make today's Ghana what it is. That was JB Danquah's role. Just because finally, if there was one legacy that is attributed to Dr. JB Danquah, the Speaker, I would say, is the characteristics or the nature of today's Ghana. Because what JB Danquah stood for, Mr. Speaker, before our independence, during our independence, and after our independence, and indeed, I dare say, what he died for in Sawan prison, what he died for, are essentially what constitutes today's Ghana. And I refer to JB Danquah's tireless advocacy, fight, and effort to promote rule of law, to fight against one-party state, to advocate for democratic accountability, to advocate for a unitary Ghana, a one Ghana, where we are all one people. Mr. Speaker, the respect for human rights, the promotion of individual and private enterprise in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, today, that is the Ghana we have today. And that is the Ghana we have all built a consensus around, which is a Ghana where we have pluralism, political pluralism, we have democratic accountability, we have respect for human rights, we have rule of law, we have private enterprise. That is the Ghana we have today. That is the Ghana JB Danquah fought for in the 40s and the 50s and the 60s. That is the Ghana JB Danquah died for, and Mr. Speaker, and that is the Ghana he was misunderstood then, but that is the Ghana we have today. And Mr. Speaker, with these words, let me conclude by saying that Dr. Joseph Kwame Tritri Boachi Danquah indeed came, he fought, he advocated, he worked for his country, and his legacy continues to shine. Mr. Speaker, with these words, I thank you for the opportunity.
Nti video no na ye kwhwe he no asemo kan ye no kwe wo mni
say asemwe ya kansa ena ya tro honma bebrebe enso amanfo a hyeda so mo nkan ye kan pokura ye nti ase eti asempo abi ye ni aka na di atro asanteman edane man 1943 during the second world war no gusu kwaso 1943 Asante hene efini pim kan say ye mfa nkoka Gold Coast nti ebra ye Alambans Governor Alambans new constitution 1946 no ene ne first time ye ti Asante din e wo Gold Coast ni mu nti na we have first political party from the friend UGCC United Gold Coast Convention ye nkan Gold Coast ho
okay na Asante nkan ho
there be Asante tama ho 9 your Gold Coast colony na bi mu friend colony proper your Ashanti your Northern Territories and League of Nations and later replaced by United Nations the transfer to Goland Emma Britain some here so as trust until 9 I hold 9 no be our say omo
okay
etuba uko go to Solonia no match mu miensa initially no na come capital na Cape Coast na later omo the capital no ko Accra and omo se nipa na dos no mu nya Eastern Province and Western Province and later omo se Western Province for na be dos no nso eche mu 2 nya Central Province but na capital na be the Central no omo the second data crowd here capital of Western Province now omo to aba asase na Accra nkwa na yi MP sata no mfre ho Parliament no mfre Legislative Assembly
okay
later no Cape Coast Accra and second data crowd na no mto aba MPs but na oduru Asante hana na ento aba na Asante hene appointing crofo ebre be kan Gold Coast dey join Gold Coast 46 no na Asante hene appointed MPs mo call Legislative Assembly ma Asante man
okay
no be anka ho bibia because yen se hye yenko me say me krom hene kan me po Matias but ebi a baby wo ho a obi kurom hene kasa otumi e kasa on te ase a me de minim eti enam saa ne man ntino ye hye Ghana no na Asante ne enko ano ye hwe no soronko nti ne ye hye Ghana no na Asante hene e wo no ane protifo
oni bibia
e wo no ane afiase prison a na me ne wo kasa yi ye komansi a saa prison no Asante ne na donate de ma Ghana ban saa police station Asante ne na donate de ma Ghana ban baby na Asante ne hia na hemfo eno na Asante ne donate de ma Ghana ban say from national of chiefs no eti amanfo ahira ayo mo so mo refi ya fa national of chiefs amakuma se kwa because na League of Nations no US and John man ni gu ya kofa UN ba nti na di UN ba ya di ne headquarters go in New York so na be ya opompo obetumi atake interest on them because of UN no say bi na mo hu se wo ya ahensem hyehyɛ wo Ghana na Asante hin no bi ayi nyina nti etimi ntu Asante hin se omra kwatenten mehwe de ekoso nti na eti no na bowa no
okay
ena yenye baby aso no ase munya baby a me ame de me dan am de hia mahemfo ache mo fa nya national of chiefs
I see. Nti as I talks on social media no so enye wo kwa nka menim se sa na enho amane se obi se di ntina chinchine a ye dia besi menhia chinchina a menhia na ye dia ba besi fisi ase de ye bubi sin bi
den a ye nyina yempe se ye nyina ye pe de aho ne nka ohene bi ya ni wi ase
okay
nti o mo mpe so mo chese ahemfo nyina ye pe no ene se ko ase ko ohene bi so a chiro ohene bi
David
nka o se bro no bi aso hene ene bro no bi aso hene ye pe ne so ade na ya na ukoba bia o mo de no kasa no ya o kasa bebrebe no unsi afrika bi boma boma e wa half region
okay
ono se mo bi nko bia bi no bia na obi ayepe ade na ya na boma akokere mu se ho ene dia
boma klem se ehin ye ne dia
doma hene se boma ye ne dia no
okay
on se yewura ho on kopɛ asɛm ma na asɛm ma no de ne ya
David
eti boma no eboboba ba so okere mu se boma ye ne dia e wo different region ono se obi nam so ka se bono ba bi ye ne dia ono ani mpefe se enkuro na obono region no enkuro na abono east region no we sunyane a Chairman Rollins no my hene with the permission of a ward master hene because ward master na omo continue na yesu hene
okay
we sunya hene free hon ma obi o my hene wo bono region ne bono east region bi ya no every mensia
I see
obi e no obi wa mensia Asante hene prefer the second the simi chance and funu ya omo category A B C D say 1 2 3 so 4 until one that decided say omo mo ye A no and e be from my hene eno ti ne free titi nyina no Asante ne ye gazette no ono kwa no hene gazette no Ghana but or more recognition than ohene bia or my mu
ya gazette no
aye
okay we shall for general form ena yete nenkana ne wache baby Ghana franca no kwan fa so baaye bre baaye eni Asante franca no so ye den
ma me ka ba kwan sana me refi Ghana de ne yesesa ne kakra
Ghana flag no
e baaye no 1964 ebra Ghana be da ne one party state no kwa me kuma mo sesa eyi yellow ni free mu de white be sha nine se na be ya Ghana flag no eni CPP de nya be pe nti ebra na ba ni gu 66 no ena esa akofa original one ba bi nti for 2 years no na yenyusu de use we no
nti so do no kwa se free so krompa Asante de nsa ba be chain 2 what to do as free so
nti for 2 years no esa Ghana flag ni kakra
I see okay was for her ena yedemu AC aha ADUMASA TV nti ko social media handles ni nyina so a obo ADUMASA TV yon komodi any programs nyina so nsa ebetumi akabi oyirika bites any sponsor Abante Power Online in JFD nechi a ochinchim na furuma edemaye midin dia tesem ne goku yedase